Kia ora koutou, ko Lilly tuku ingoa. My name is Lilly.
And mōrena Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Keira ahau. I'm Keira. Welcome to the morning report for Rape, the 18th of June.
Starting the day with Te kupu of Te wiki. This week's word is ahau, which is Te Anau Māori for wind.
As in pupuhi I te ahau, meaning blown by my wind, like my beautiful hair.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating, from 12:30, Graden Crafts are making pinecone bird feeders outside of room 9 with all years 1 to 4.
There's capture the flag on the Kindy field, year 4s to 6.
And outdoor games for everyone, meeting on the running track. Have fun, koutou.
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Ka pai health and safety news. A reminder about washing or sanitising your hands before eating. Stay safe, everyone.
Okay, bus news, especially if after school today you have rugby, tennis, dance, art or music.
Okay, students, not on the bus after school. Remember to mark yourselves off. And if you've already done it, ka pai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park your bikes in the bike racks.
Disco news. Looks like we can all use our new school hall for the opening party and disco all rolled into one.
So the date has been moved to week 11. Stay tuned for official posters and times. Can't wait.
No birthdays at Te Anau SCHOOL today, but Harold is having a special day tomorrow and we will get all to wear something yellow.
Yep, dress up for Harold Day means we can all look bright and shiny while galloping around the giraffes.
And tomorrow's bike club for the seniors. Looks like you'll need your coats. Also remember it's a 1:15 start. Ka pai.
Lastly, tomorrow is Rāmere, and we all know that means sausage sizzle day. So remember your gold coins to go to the cafe block first thing.
Now, if you've missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Goodbye.
And from everyone here at the Morning Report, Team Piki Ake Te Taumata.